What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So, me have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So, we have Rosalie come this up, Raja and Blinga in the wickedest way. You know what I mean? I think them have a discussion and they must mention fear name. So, she come diss them up back wicked, right? We also have D and Jabba's link up yesterday. You know what I mean? And then after the link up, D I talk to the people them about what she and Jabba's do, you know what I mean? Because you know some people never like it and rare, so she a really chat to them, you know what I mean? I try to get them back in her good whatever, see him get them to be good with her after what she do, call them and say, yo, I idiot think that them, you know what I mean, trick them up whatever, but them supposed to know people on social media say, yo, enough of them come sell the story, enough of them do prank on them something, yeah. And I don't just know the and Jabba's them a do prank. You see me I say? So we also have Shibada people. Shibada come this Annie, you know what I mean, in the wickedest way. As usual, we got hear where Shibada have to say, I think she a different I think him, John was star, a different um channel that a Jagger woman people, Jagger mode boss. So Jagger come out, come style red and you know what I mean, and defend him sister Anna. You see me I say first me ever hear Jagger, I go hard, especially upon the exes them cause Jagger one time a one man where him always a friend with the exes them. You see me I say? So I don't know Redance must say I go too hard make him come out. And he want to say I'm favorite sister that still. So, you know what I mean? We are gonna get in at that with people. Queenie and Dowey buck up a party and fight almost broke. So here we go on people. I don't know if I left out nothing. But these are the things we have to share with Uno. Be able to add more things as we go along. So we could kick it off.
And me believe, say, you know, the TikTokers them need to start to go to church on Sunday daytime, yo.
Church of corruption too, you know.
Not all.
What deal? What deal?
Me just speak the facts. Me feel like the TikTokers them need to start that blood feed those church.
What do and do what? Repent?
No repent, go get prayer. Too much, everywhere you look at toxification.
Yeah, which part is the toxification?
Everywhere. You not see it?
You ever see me in no toxification yet?
You probably know how to handle things, but most of them over here can't handle the situation.
Crazy. Look at so. Look, you don't see following.
See it, man.
On this page, me have 177,000 followers. So it's a bigger page than film page, I lie.
Than the backup page.
I'm a backup. Remember, see me main
No, it's bigger than the back, it's not bigger than the main page, bigger than the backup page.
How much up on the main?
I think I 184.
Oh. So why you with a unfollow me? Unfollow him back, blood clot. No, so me I give him a little chance first.
No man, either unfollow everybody. I don't want any time there, bro.
You get unfollow?
Then if you follow one person, I must himself him follow up on the main page.
Oh, one person I follow?
Himself, I see him thing like what you do.
Who do?
Move your bumbo clot. What do you want to unfollow every blood clot body?
I boss said 1 minute I follow when in the...
And that me I try show you say one person I follow too. And don't tell you that go through something.
Yeah, but me did unfollow Jada too, and Jada look into it and say, oh...
So the same way if you look into it too and say you not unfollow him.
So now that me do jackass. You come here, you come for an argument with me. And I'm in an argument with you. And Rosalie will come tell you say not a fuck off a gift of them.
Bro, that's old news, bro. What the fuck you want me to do with old news? Rosalie not get no gift.
Repent
your pussy hole.
1 tier 6. 1 tier.
Rosalie not get no gift, so me understand.
What you mean the girl not get no gift?
She not get no blood clot gift.
Let me tell you this, where you get that from?
Looking at the ranking and tell much Rosalie there. At 12:48 now. Looking at the ranking and tell much Rosalie there right now. And when you press the ranking and look last yesterday how much Rosalie there.
show me their friend ranking from when me not really follow it up.
Let me look in it. Let me look in there. The rosealee there. You're there in a Jamaican ranking with the King Donor page, top 11.
Come me just come on,
Rosealee the 21 with 71,000 kind. What you come yesterday? Top 5? 220? She get good kind, man. So why the fuck she bring up people and she get kind?
Rosealee never fall off. Tomorrow drop jazz Friday. You have to just understand, say, Rosealee good. She get her basic kind them every day where she alright. So stop talk foolishness. She just probably feel like I mean first she come out, you know.
Switch you up.
No, I mean switch. She come about me first with CC, then she just start talk about everybody we are fucking gift to them. But me I tell her say she a say no Sadona. She said she a watch me. Because how come me no fuck no gift her? Me I say Rosealee what you talk about, then she gone for you. What you want me to do? Say don't talk about 6 pound your blood clot to Yahoo. When people are chat me and I sit down with them and listen to. Move.
But I expect that for you still. Me think
me say me not say nothing out of me mouth. Me just listen. Yeah.
That's the friend you are.
I don't care. Everything you take up too serious. The girl.
I think it's serious, bro.
So you can ask about when me are for.
You don't take that serious, bro.
The two workless man, you never did for them the sitting there. Rosealee say, I'll be a Rosealee, no smoke one. Oh, make you look, I feel style that.
I like Bumbuckler, Rosealee, I tell you.
I saw your tongue for you.
Bro, let me tell you, Rosealee a liar. Rosealee a liar.
She not do prank though.
Like, bro, may I tell you, back in the days when me did act, who know, say me a shoot hard on TikTok. Rosealee, I go talk, them time the 6K hype, you can't get too much money, man. She now go say 6K come off her life and take her from top 99, put her at top 1. So you see Rosealee is a talk the thing there. She now go say no, say 6K though is a youth way.
No man, she talk good things about.
I give a bumbo class about that. Rosealee, nobody about everything.
I always remember say they take 400.
She not bring me down, you know.
Right.
But she a talk big things for me. But she not
she not talk nothing where people don't know. She a talk facts things where you see is that she not bring up no.
Alright, people, so watch out. No live good can't go up on TikTok for too long. May I tell you that, especially among certain people, nobody can live good on TikTok for too long. It's a bring down place. So if a person just pick on you and start this year and bring you down, you know what I mean? You know what time it is. Don't take it personal. I just cloud time. You see me?
Nothing where she and you alone know. She talk things where everybody know. So why problem?
Bro, I first Rosealee talk about me, bro.
And I alone she talk about. She talk about. To be honest here, she bring up everyone she talk about everybody since night.
She knows, so she knows talk about you too. She soon start talk about you too, you know.
Bro, me say and me first she come out.
Just wait now. Yeah, we got time to see madam.
And me first she talk about me first. And CC. And then she just
She talk about Sissy?
She talk about me and CC.
Yeah, but see and Lee.
Alright, thank you.
What can you say to me?
To call up some heap of people name.
Where is that?
Here. So we don't know where I feel like I alone the woman come about since. I may try to tell you. You just keep on talking about you. Like you are somebody.
So Rosa, you not talk about herself?
She not really me ask her about the period where come down upon her. She not really like talk about herself, you know. People never like to talk about themselves yet. And they want to bring down everybody, but they not talk about themselves. I don't know why you're say so. But notice you guys, people that really talk about themselves, you know. All when you hear them a chat and you chat, me I say, alright then, what I'm to you? They don't want to say nothing about themselves. But you know everything about everybody, so there's nothing about you.
Yeah, no.
I want Rose for the app. Me not tell no lie. I want Rosalie. Oh God, man. I want Rosalie. If I love Rosalie, you fuck. Me I tell her. Yeah, she say she come bout who come. Remember Rosalie come bout me already and my mother get involved, you know. Rosalie said, the woman there sell pussy like that. See about me one up on the green screen. Here Rosalie, the woman there, he sell pussy like Yo, I told me I take nothing serious, chat. Me I tell you we got every shoot. I show you remember. You remember 6?
Remember, man, you're Rosalie, man. You know, remember, bro.
Oh.
Remember, man.
Wicked Robbins Rosalie, man. Rosalie Rob, my mother. Mother not even follow up them listening there. Me tell you say some, I'm feeling so me take that there from mother. Me can't make certain things women will say. We can't make certain things by them. Like certain things on the stay, missing enough on the stay. Them comment section. Come, yo, the people them they hate Rosalie, you know.
And that Bashar, you fuck.
Yo, my people them they hate her, brother. My people them never like a bone, you know. But then she say, your mother, both said they fix her bag. My pussy glad. So, what you do tomorrow?
Tomorrow on Friday. Today. Tomorrow on Saturday.
Rain up all again. What you want to do Florida? Me and sister about, you know.
People know what me are doing, you know, there.
Sincerity feel it up, man. See, pray. You can't do like me tell you say me is a citizen of America. Right now I live more and live up either go up a Atto or me go down a sitting there. Where name? Where desert place name?
Where?
Arizona.
One time over here, bad boy. Show the mix up, I can't get the gift. You drop, Roger. You fall. So what they seen job store, you get back to look girl, you get back to look fresh mads. And through tireless and the girl them go recharge. You basically was falling. Come on the hype and boast too much. I wanna buy a car for $7 million. I wanna buy a house for $30 million. And I be a dear clothes and a blood clot wear. Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Balenciaga. I want to do 200,000 money pull up in a blood clot party. On the mountain, no one don't fall down, all we are bigger. So you don't blame things on blood clot people on the app. When kind coins is not running as fast as it shows, or once blood clot more. Go back for the money, pull up them. Go on back for the money to pull up them at the party. Come on, me a beg, I go to a party, go do money pull up like me and smarty, let me work. What a knock talk, man. Stinking more blinga when you talk and mention the blood clot wheel. Because the last man I hear fuck you pan ya. Say your pussy big. The last man I fuck you pan ya say you stink. And the last one to fuck you pan ya, say go suck out your mother. For sure say you're 100% blood clot cough. What police can give you is a big long time. All wait, I want.
Alright, my people. Tell me what you think in the comment section. I don't chat too long on that one you need. You know what I mean? I run through that one quick and fast. So let me know what you think. See?
Find the word that can sit by liquor, come around with me. I'm telling them I go read them around the rights as my blood clot should come in no care. Cause only doing can't tell me I'm shit by the house dirty. I'm read your blood clot like I fish it out of file. Stinking girl, I'm around with blood clot by ya. Dirty whore. What police can do a all with a like blood clot you? Blinga with the eggshell in your pussy. Blinga with the eggshell pussy will crack up. What can police give you as a big married woman, old widow, where they are foreign, will live with 2 in section? It what can do for you? Unless one of germs and the character stink, don't call me name. You're not even a lady, you're a dog. Cause me could live a foreign and take about blood clot, but when if you can't rent a car and drive me in when me come here. What him can give you? I fuck with no bike, I don't have no hole. Blessed are the peacemakers in the hole. Itsy bitsy spot up and down and crawl up and down the hole. On the hole and the cobweb. The boy, you're dying to look at young boy dust the cobweb off your blood clot pussy tongue. If it can't stand up so. What can do for blood clot you? Nothing. Nothing at all. Because when him and Annie got there with you, say him and nobody. He don't even run no water, me know you fuck him. And you suck him out. Ramp with me. If you don't want to stay relevant and keep relevant, sweep past a dirty yard. This is the only dirty yard I don't want to sweep. I'll sweep it when I want. I'll sweep it when I can. This is the only dirty yard. Uno can win. Want me, baby? Nigga, this is the only dirty yard I have a sweep past. Don't come at me. And your pussy plaster over TikTok for your big blood clot woman not married. When you could look up to Uno, because look Uno make fuck Uno. And class Uno. Look Uno make fuck Uno and class Uno no one come. Don't call me name. Don't ramp with blood clot me. Don't ramp with me. You take too much fly for your bunk in your house. Every minute you touch my blood clot plane and you pitney there so you pitney them there so you fuck this so you want to argue with me. Your kids are over here and you're fucking over there and you want to argue with me. You put in the room, they put them bed there you saw you and you want to argue with me. You saw you know I'm gonna wrap up and though you want to come back and reach us so. And you will bring mix up and up is a failure to the blood clot net and you're not real to nobody. And I don't like say you used to make money out of it. You never used to make $1. More than when two look up bitches and men and them here when you talk about Jamaica, they must say they want $5, want $10. And you go look the cheap ticket buy. And you come to Jamaica and not spend more than 2 or 3 days. I run back home. And you can't stay for long. And you have to run back to the government check. One not come for girl man if you have class and etiquette. I'm ambition. I want solid background. No, remember, when not beg, when not come for me, like when not come for me. When live somewhere, when own a house, when own a car, when bank account fat, when not beg. When have it all in a life. So I can't really say, you don't need to argue with me. I want to live some life. But a shit house like myself can't argue with me. Because Blinga, you older than me. I'm going to say the example where you said as a big woman. Yeah. Spear mix up you blood clot. Do a carry bring come and bring down. The fact that the last year I had a woman in box of class me. But oh me take my mother. I can't like you. But when police come out with the transgender story and the whole TikTok did I go find out say Batman and I fuck you shift the gun. Don't ramp with me thinking or me not play rough. Don't ramp with blood clot me. Me not prank nobody. Peter Gaze a real first me talk to her on phone. When me say them, me and me say them fall out. You know what I can't tell. All of me a liar did blood clot fall out. Me not can't tell no lie. Me class liar. Me not tell no lie. I let me a liar if I dip up underneath blood clot liar. I read her Miranda rights. I find some blood clot tell her. When I know they got blood clot hurt about me not tell the lie pan nobody. Me not so long I tell no lie, say a person is not real when she's real. Me not so long I chat me talk to Peter again. She show me her belly. She show me her so. She had her head, she show me one night time. Me talk to her. I'm not come on the net where feed me and I change my life. Come tell a lie. Cause me a beg her money, me just come beg her money. And if you tell a lie, cause me done a beg. The things someone want to do to keep and stay relevant and to be seen, I have to do that. Because if me a beg her money, me beg her money, me not tell a lie. All of me a lie was the last part of the pack. All of me a lie at the tier where me couldn't, me know that never. Me that never. Come sit on my platform and talk about a lie. A lie, Peter Gay is not real. When I've spoken to her, how could I go to my bed and sleep and have kids in my house? Where you think God is sleeping? And together you do yourself, God is watching. Where you feel like something on a reaction by my pity them. Me not tell lie upon people. So no feel like I show me a lie after me cook it. Me not cook nothing, me not cook pot with girl because me have enough. Suck out to no matter. Me not cook pot with girl. Me never like group up tracing. Me not cook pot with girl because me have enough. I'm gonna want to tell them for later. And then I'm gonna have people, I'm gonna have my pit them, I'm gonna want to eat food. Me not cook pot with girl. I'm talking it already. Me, lawyer. I saw me no job, I saw me no, what are them enough? Because tune enough. Tune fall off on enough. I wanna look at come back. Wanna make them and a brainwash. Me not say a brainwash. Me not say a brainwash. You have too much sense till a fool.
Alright, my people, so as we say, I run through that one here quick and fast, so I don't chat too much. Let me know what you think in the comment section because Rosalie and Blinga them and you know what I mean, them did good once upon a time, but now it look like say a big war between them. I don't know what caused it, but I know say them did good even last year I think. You know what I mean? So let me know what you think.
I'll dirty zoom on me here. Wanna stop tell life on blood clot job as I'm look because I don't no sense. Nobody can program me. Me a Gemini, I will. But I don't say me can't tame. But I will always stand up for what I stand up for. I mean, I walk at the life on people. Me hate manipulation. Fuck! And the police them come in my house and me pay my 100,000. If I want to go to ID parade, I know the liar woman can't call me back. So me know case go. I smell it. One of my man them gonna pass through. Me know Jamaica slow system go. For the police I'm confident in January, February, I'm put in the blood clot. Me no need no content. Take a suck out of my and content. It come from my blood clot page. Me no need no blood clot content. I work me they move. You know like lie sell pay more than truth. For the police I'm come here, I'm going to the lie, I don't get no response up to now. For me still gonna lay my statement and I get no response up to now. I mean I yes nothing. Me I wait to the liar call me. Me only want to know me have still have the evidence in my blood clot phone. Me know how case go. I will Jamaica slow like snail. But me and blood clot like I could have really grow up and tell like on job as 4. We don't need to. Because we don't keep on missing the gun. And us Peter get on a problem. Warm to the case when they have a circuit up to now. And that's why I'm using you're a clown. Because him have a case up to now, a circuit. You're not talking about that. When me I talk about everything. Cause when the girl Peter Gay went into lawyer inbox, and before that she came into mines. She'd have reached out to me a long time ago and tell me that story. And me the ship when she said to me, say, but Rosa, you know, somebody reach out to you and I tell you the story one time. I hit upon you go put your love and you say, but shame like that the night because what I cannot sometimes my behavior is very distasteful. TikTok, I'm gonna take accountability. She'd have reached out to me before. So God there, I literally saw the message. I didn't open it. I can read like that because when you put a TikTok message, you don't have to open it. You can look at it. Boy, I make some nigga ever just talk. Cause I don't want people to tell lies say me. I don't want people to tell a lie that me and people are cook up nothing about nobody. I don't cook pot. Never. She literally came in my inbox and I've read the message, but I deleted it. Cause them time they embarrassing to say me and a gentleman was did associate. But when I came on the net and was talking about somebody that him grape by the cigarette from my jakes, I wasn't talking about Peter Gay. At the time, I wasn't talking about the Peter Gay. At the time, a girl of his sister came in my inbox and says, some relative of hers. And I sent her my number. And she was at work and she said, Rosalie, let me tell you something about Jabaz. Jabaz fuck off my local family. I don't know if it's her sister or what. If I the sister, but she came in my inbox and I sent her my number. And she called me one morning and I listened to the story coming and talk. And she still tell me every detail and tell me say the court case is still in process. So when me come on internet I talk about Jabaz and grape and story, I wasn't talking about Peter Gay. I wasn't talking about Peter Gay none at all. I wasn't talking about Jabaz because sister when fuck off. We are local college. I see me talk, but me never talk about Peter Gay none at all. How long after Peter Gay exists?
Alright, my people. So we are gonna watch some more. Let me know what you think. And some of the things where you see them on TikTok are cuss the others about. Them are the same thing, you know. You see me, because the manipulation part, the whole of them on TikTok are manipulator. May I tell you that, believe me, in a some way or another. You see me? So make watch some more people.
Avec Sixtance back again. When she were typing on my live and calling other names with a page what she own. Asking about guests, asking about this, asking about that. Then if the girl if you not fuck off the girl, she know about guests, another story. She just make up these stories. Oh no, me say me afraid out me, I threw my big fire. Him sister by him father's side. And she me that talk about the first story, I talk about grape. And she me that talk about him sister by him father's side, the court know him have a circuit. And the court know when me a talk about when me call her here said their circuit. And the person that I call said, Rosalie, leave it. And you can't be sued for slandering. I'm left it. Left the people in my name story. That's actually I tell me, so left it. I mean, why I left it. But a public knowledge and the way I take it. So, but I'm talking about grip. I reach Peter Gay yet. And long after, Peter Gay come back to liar. In the same process. Cause she hear me start to lick your back now. Cause she say me here followed. I just see her over there tell me oh Jake's finger Shanta. I just tell me I'll get down in that gravy. I shall reach out to liar. Even like when I talk to her upon the phone, she show me the cut in her belly. And the stop runner saw them I think the stop runner so we stop her with the screwdriver and the things them. In the so. And the things them. She said, Rosa, let me reach out here, you know, and you shame me. Can't say nothing. You know who speak up for me at the time? Me see. Say, boy, at the time, bro, I me see and lie them that for speak, I can't talk. But I tell lie. Me a pick in my yard, me will never sleep. But I tell lie upon people. If I don't know, I don't know. What I see out of common sense, that's what I tell. It's not a lie, it's what I see. You can't blame me because I have common knowledge more than someone know. The human body works. Some people see things before it happen. Some people can't see things that happen and know it happen. And some don't sit until it played right out. I'm an individual. I'm smart. I'm Gemini. I'm intellect. I can see you for what you are. And if you're not genuine, it tells me. I read everybody, I read everything about a human being. I know who or who. If someone looking at your face, because I know you're not having a good day. Like I'm not she always over sad and depressed. Blinga them in a cocky worries. Roger want money for go buy one man, one little blood clot, $3. I can tell you when you're happy. I can tell you when you're sad. I can tell you when you're in the mood. I can tell you when you're fake. I can read between the lines at all times. But that's when I make a blood clot, Peter. Again, we have time. We're going to make a blood clot. Story. Where them not honest, that's why I can't like Roger. Where them not honest, you know, we don't even need to call up Peter Gay and make up our. Cute bastard, what I don't know. One of those one. When I tell you what cute bastard want. Cute bastard want. Top bastard just get one up and same time for them can say yeah true. That's what cute bastard want and sunshine. It's called cold case. Everything's a process. I'm never me. Not even make up Peter Gay. Me not need for group up on nobody and make up nobody. But tell you say you group you there circuit now with a case. And when I tell me, I tell her. And that's why you can't sue me. And you wonder how I know that.
Front time I in my run 4 man there. So the door me there in front time my chair was here. Not chair, a table. So I rest my hand like this, my elbow like this. Like this on the table. And when Camille tell me I'm a look, so I'm a look on him. Come and him eye locking on me look on him and him look for me. And then him hold on him head. So I turn back around, cause the way me shock me say bumbo clad. From when me say no I'm buck up that money I know me no remember say if you look off you mind me buck up in the van. Can't do it myself. Turn back around. But me this right here, sir, is like on the table like this. Cause remember me a human, me a think me. One night time I say me go call to him, and I say no Queenie, I go done it. God knows the amount of things are running in my mind. Cause I say, oh my God, say him not go say to me. Alright, I see him all on my head, I say, Queenie, roll back your composure. So I turn back around. I may have to look again. Alright, to say my day. I'm going to turn back around so I have my ear so. Respond one them table. Me not even know what's for them table. Not even think about that. I'm just want to come on just come and grab the table, so. I just unlock my brother and just stand up there. For me, about 5 minutes. Yeah. I mean, I say, look at that, you made it married to the man I and the man apart, and you could be nice, you know. Me not gonna challenge you over a table. I am the queen. I am his ex-wife. I was the one that he walks down the aisle with. So whatever you and him sit down and talk, say if you think that fears me, fear.
Hey, my people, as me say me I run through this, me I deal with it quick and fast, me not talk too long. But you want to say, me feel like say Queenie knows say do it did I go to the other party there, and that's why Queenie find himself for the party there, yeah? You know how long Queenie a hunt down do it. Me feel like say Queenie do this deliberately, got them table deliberately and all these things because she just want in a do it presence. She want him back, you know. But she a try, you know what I mean? If you just in a them presence, fi, you see me, if him a go send out to her so that them can talk, but maybe her, you see me? Cause Queenie love do it so more than himself, you know, my people. Me say this already and me say it again. Queenie love do it more than himself. Big woman thing. I saw when big woman find a young boy, you know, where I deal with them the right and proper way, you know. They hard to let go. You see me? So let me know what I think. What's some more?
You go grab table. That around when we just come. I'm a daddy, dance, enjoy myself. Around 1.5 hour and I party, somebody take a boom buckle and lick me. Throw it on my foot. I don't look. Me just look at girl and she says a boom buckle. And say, you know, Queenie. Yeah, so even that, me I say. So what them man you do? Do we not pay me no mind? Me not look upon him. Him not look upon me. We're just in the same environment, but when I go take back a blood clot stone me, I must my pussy with that skin out my blood clot pussy in that blood clot. Everybody do that same. And so because I not go back down the road there. But to just show you people provoking. Saying Camilla said me I move. Me say me nah blood clot move right just so me stay. Move go well. Me never ever go move. You know? So if him brethren them depend this to me, I don't know what I do. Because when I picture back everything, I say, Queenie don't make the man grab the table, you know. So if I lean me the lean pan it, like with all my weight, I could have lose balance, but it me elbow my wrist pan it, and I say, shoop! I say, whoa. Suppose basically I them a profile me. But you lots are men. Why would you be threatened by a man ex-wife? Though, so that fascinates me. I'm glad to see him, God knows. Because the fear what I did have, I think I say, God, I know what I'm about to do, you know. I just glad him in a different world and different space. Whole night, man, the man stand up the side of the man, they stand up. So my back, you know, because the party is there and in the behind me. So me go stand up in front time, but me never ever move. Me just hold it. Me say my heart start go boom, 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 boom. Boy, the same them love man and listen the man. Me say wow. Regardless me redundant, brother. No make your friend them trouble me, no low blood clot me come out. Bust up gunshot and down a nasty blood clot. Cause me within a competition. Me that just go borrow a man blood clot gonna shoot up him. No trouble me. You hear me? No don't trouble me. Really. And it's the man. Did the walk no him have our mask, you can't see a little clown, you know. Do it soon thump him in a blood clot. I don't mind, oh no. You understand me? I grab table. You see big woman, the queen. Well, you corner, brother. You understand me? Relax your little self. All if you that do it table. Alright, you by the table. I am the fucking queen and I grab table from you. And I want to draw me out a strip with that stripping of that blood clot and I forgot tipping on my front. And me I tell you, see, people can't draw you out, you know. Cause like how me think of it now. What the man did want me for though? Embarrass which there's nothing to be embarrassed about because I am the fucking queen. So if me lean on a table, or if it was even a chair, you know, have the courtesy or the manners, whatever corruption you have towards me, if you grab the table, it's rather ridiculous. Then, I'm gonna take an empty boom back through on my foot. But it's alright, I'll them something I'm gonna put on practice. Can't remember me a bad blood clot girl and I could have gone bad and now I'm glad me see the way you fuck. And that's the God Almighty true within myself. That's for me I look at him and I say, blood clot. I got me turn up, I come a blatantly. When Camille said we do it there, I said, to do it, I said, do it. I said, we look for this, made them look for one of that, maybe 1 good minute. We make sure look for all of the friend them. Look upon them. I said, whoa. Look how me I find this money. I said, God, now make me buck up the man. So my point is, when you have a fear in a life or something, you have to face it, people. And something happened to me last week again. I don't remember. I mean, I say, the same thing when my fear what happened to me and this come back. I'm afraid for buck up my husband, my ex-husband, my Dewey. Me never want to see him in my heart. And you know, if I see him at home, I deal with it, I'm proud of myself. Yeah, because we did at the party how long? More than run after a vibes. When I go in and I and the man them dance and then I come back and my little spot. Because you see with me here, me's not a troublemaker. Me's a nice man. Me see if I get up when I want to get up. Me and the man go down in Manuel Road and me see him abandon me. You see him redundant me, whatever. You see me not pre. Me not have no time for that. Me just peacefully, calm, collective, glad me find back myself. So when me see the man grab the table, it'll come like when popcorn insult me. And me say, whoa. You understand me? Yeah, I'm so mild with it. I never feel intimate. Because remember me bad, you know. When I say bad, I'm not bad as in a troublemaker, but I'm very defensive, you know. I'm very protective of myself, you know. So you see, what's golden to me if it's the see the man and him bridging a rival me, and I just want my composure. But I just say it publicly as the queen to own a young man, old man, or man. All of you know say woman a woman, and there is certain challenge when man challenge woman. You look rather stupidly dumb. You understand me? Because if me and the man did marry, I and him apart now. Why? What are you trying to prove? What would you achieve by handling me like it's a piece of floor cloth? You know, like it's, you know, it's one little piece of dirty cloth on the table. And just grab the table, set it. You understand me? It's rude, but it's alright. But we're gonna show you say for them things that them kind of profile there. That's why wickedness can't done. Call me now, but I just get one blood clot gun and just beat you with it, so. You know, that's how I feel now, may I speak. But by me don't talk, me not care about it, but me just look on the liberty of it. You understand me? And I'm like, your brethren dump me. You know. How dare you? Whosoever you fucking is, how dare you step and grab a table? A fucking table. I wasn't drinking on the table. It was an empty table. So like he must have buy him liquor and come. It look like them just come to. When me I talk about it and me hear them say, come here, say she saw them grab the table and ask me, say blood clot. Cause me did I wonder. And you know what? Do we never move? Do we just put him hood over him head? After me and him done stare at one another, and just put him hood over him head and stay, so. I see the little one over and one day the
Alright, the people, so tell me what you think. As I say, I don't talk too much. I run through that one quick and fast. So tell me what you think in the comment section.
good of us. But I don't know if him a try to intimidate me. Because he must know of Queenie. Me not have no fear. Me no use people for her, you know. Me no need nobody and me and God alone. But me no need for war this, man. Your brethren supposed to be shocked as much as me shock. So when you did it with whatever profile, because you must draw my pussy tongue and draw it out like one blood clot tape and I walk on it like a red carpet. You understand me? Yeah. And then them use a buckle and lick my butt. In the sense, anybody would have made that thing could have fling the buckle, I must do it. But me not look. Me just look on the buckle and see I want empty boom buckle and say, hey. They immediately go grab on it. Where's something name? A bossy choose that name. Me never go a bossy choose. I go extend my vocal and embarrass myself. They that hear it all over them intimate. Oh, Queenie in a party, I come from and do it. Me just tell a little grabbing, man. Go, you know, some man grab something from me. And I'm like some people so, you know, petty. That is really petty. Maybe when him done to pussy clot, him don't even have a buckle of water for wash out him blood clot. This son I take me by the bird. Yeah, me see Dewey. He woke up with that Dewey to blood clot after 1 year I had. Life crazy, you know. Them idiot Queenie. I thought them would have said me did a fight over Dewey and some shit them would have said. Me just tap my breath and look on the back of stuff. Me said them provoking him. But the back wasn't even bad, because maybe I'll drop the back drop. But me know the back could have reached on my foot, but think of it many other different way. Maybe the back drop off of the table because it's empty and reach on my foot. But me know somebody threw it. But the back wasn't a problem. And the man know him grab the table and then him have on the mask and I only can see him eyes. You love my nails, big man thing morning. But the way me glad to see Dewey, me glad to see him and is the truth. The way I'm glad to see him, to see my eyes rich with rest. My eyes rest upon him. Me so best one more clear. Me that call to him too, you know. I have to say no, Queenie, my name embarrass you. I talk to myself in the crowd. Cause I swear me step off and go call to him, all that. But you see the man will grab the table like him the gone by the liquor, you know, when you think of it, you know. Me see the man just grab the table, say, you know. Me say, see me? If you remember when popcorn insult me, what me think me laugh? My mama full of confidence, you know. I'm a top girl, so people can't, me not threatened by people. Me not really intimidated. Me I say, wow. And that just comes to my brain. I say, wow. But you know what fascinates me? Everybody will come with me when we're in the vehicle, so them see, me think of me alone, so the man grab the table from me. But the moment, it was a great moment. I needed that. I needed that because me always I said, God, me don't want but book do, you know.
What's up, everyone? 876 Imported Cigars is now available at the Liquor Chamber. Shop 1 to 2 Hungway Shopping Mall, 3 Municipal Boulevard, Crookston 10, Portmore. We have rich flavors, smooth vibes, and expertly crafted cigars. Get yours today and experience the island's finest. Perfect for relaxation, celebration, or just a chill evening. Visit us and indulge in the best, the Liquor Chamber, Portmore, where every puff feels like a vacation. We also do delivery. Check out the links in the description for more contact details. And remember to always stay lit.
A long time, cause you're working on a pocket. I can't really cause all of this. Bumbucklat, man. Then you come and talk about what be a salt, a blood clot salt. From Anna, you are from boy. Want a zip. Go buy one zip and zip up that mouth, yeah, bro. Go buy one zip, dog. Me hear say TikTok I ban people from beg. But me I beg you know something before tomorrow. Me I beg you know something before tomorrow. From morning this, Trevor. Why pretty Anna?
As me say, my people, we not talk too long, but more I say this. Why, what, alright, wanna feel like say, Redance, he might go through something, people, like, Annie, like, Anna time, and he want left and can't left. And that more I know. You wanna feel like say, he might cry out for help certain way, for left and Anna. Wanna think so? People, them say when a woman tie a man still, you know, although I don't believe in none of them something still. But them say the man always beat the woman and them always a cuss. You see me I say? So more want to tell me and the man want left and can't left. You see me? Cause every time brothers come on this he want left and I run with and I the wickedest way deal with her like dog, you know. Deal with her like the scum of the him deal with her wicked. That look like somebody who wants to stay with somebody, my people. Or this person here want left and he can't left because they tie him up. Tell me in the comment section if you don't feel like say Anna tie up Redance and he want left and can't left and he might cry out for help. Or the liquor him and give her after she left him and she not left. Tell me what you think, my people, because we don't know what you think.
You see me now, me don't know why. You see Anna, me love Anna, bro. Me love Anna. Me literally love my sister, bro. Anna is second one, and me love her. Me know she, bro. Anna for just know her value, bro. Anna for know her, Anna pretty. A beautiful sister me having her, bro. But see this man a jagger go so and a jagger go so a stress her out and this and that Anna bring her down and this boy. Why Odien did better, Anna? God no, Odien did better. At least I could have beat Odien. What you're dancing you like you have the strength to beat Redance and blood clot. How when you did Odien I did look better. Why? They say stick to evil, you know. You should have do that, Anna. She no name channel. You don't know what is channel. Bumble name channel. Channel away there on TV. Pussy. Go back a blood clot class, man. Fucking duns. But channel. Anyways, Chanel know our blood clot work here. Chanel know our word. You don't know nothing about me and Chanel. You know so much Chanel. I don't talk Chanel business. I don't talk Chanel business. I don't talk Chanel business. Hey. Anyways, guys, it's a Jet 2 holiday. Yo, I want to chat and can't blood clot chat. You know, I'm worries in a dance. Certain things we can't chat about, but clot. We have to wait till them chatty first. When them chatty, me chatty. If me can't check, look at me, I have no money for me right now. Me broke, dog. Me have money, you know, but I have to buy gas. So I have to go buy some gas. Caravan gas. I go buy that for your money. If your mom page banana, I don't know, you know. I don't know. I can't. So I have to go in my life to check if I replace banana. Why you can't go check? Same like how me can't check. You can check in. You feel like somebody now, look at you. I am always somebody. I'm always somebody. You're somebody. All of us in the community is somebody. So what the fuck you talk about? But the bumbo clot you gonna find something do and come off of the nobody live. With the blood clot you know come off of the bumbo clot live. But if me a smaddy. If me a no smaddy you would dip on me blood clot live, go suck your mother and come off. I go find something do. You know have pot for cook. You beard, you eat, you cook. Bumbo well. Boy, if me feel like smaddy, me always blood clot smaddy. Pussy all you good like gill into bumbo clot and even breed no blood clot girl yet. Now come on access me and smaddy. At least me have 2 blood clot pitney on the earth if me dead today. At least me left two bumbo clot pitney on the earth. No found on nothing. And come on your blood clot going like so now smaddy. You know smaddy? Me not give them energy man, just there sir. You need to know me I follow up them fine. God no. I follow up them fine. Me did drink local rum still, so this is my excuse. Blame me rum. Of course me can't cuss, but me not trouble people bro. You have to trouble me for me cuss. Is it? I'm different from them. You can't just get up and cuss. Unless you see me you know what would have make me no chat cuss. If the day of y'all want 3-4 months and not get no pum pum, that make me cuss you know? You could have there a road and just say hi to blood clot me and me cuss you. If you don't get no pum pum, you take long to get pussy to pussy clot. That make me cuss. I tell you man, me cuss if you no reason.
For me say, me I go leave that person. This man, me and this man never there from morning because this a relationship it never did true from morning because there's no way upon hell you lay down and sleep with somebody. Get up by a morning. Oh, me I left that girl there. Nobody an idiot. Nobody no slow to things. You get up by.
Hey, you see, woman, me people, woman are one of the wickedest thing. They're wicked to themselves more while to them wicked. Me I tell you, they're wicked to themselves to all them wicked. A woman we left a man, we are treat her the best. For a man, we are treat her like dog shit and him not have nothing in her life. She will left that the man there. We are treat her the best. Just because the next man we are treat her like dog shit. Can put the DICK upon her, you know what I mean, properly. Me I tell you no, big woman thing. You see me? So let me know one thing people gonna chat too long.
See my mother talk about my baby's baby and she usually chat with every damn day and you get up and come talk about if me left Anna my life I go better off, if me left Anna me I go make this type of money, if me left Anna me left this and me left that and me left that. I want your man feel like say people are idiot a long time you want go blood clot go do what you want do and nobody stopping him. Nobody not stop him. Him no need to come if he at his part what this man do come on the internet and say me and Anna left. Me the right just to see if they're nice clean phone he have around there so to show you that me not even trouble the man. The man say I left me not trouble the man. He have a nice clean phone around there star run live pan to show you say yo man dirty and dirty. Man dirty. Me will never love another man again. Never. Me put my heart in too much people who do me dirty. Do me dirty. You get up by today. Oh, your daughter crosses, your daughter that, your daughter that. The girl where you lay down and sleep with every day, bro. How you mean by man? Them sit them make me look for man as so evil people. Somebody where you lay down and sleep, where you say, oh, we live together, get up, come on the internet. Me and that, go then. Buck like go like say me not values. And you alone have values. You alone have values. You alone have values. Yeah, man. Me left me bitch them for this a girl, yeah. I want you, man. Me a smaddy. Me, alias Spencer, I am somebody. Hush, Baba. One more pin and me done. One more pin and me done. Okay, there with an ambitious woman like me. Look at there with such a queen like me. I'm such a fucking queen. But niggas nowadays come like say me go no too much bridge for walk on so they can feel like you can disrespect a fucking queen in this bitch. Me. How much blood clot things this a girl do for no. And go and can come disrespect and run and break up and jump. Me, the fucking queen in this bitch. Man treat like some little peasant. So me I get treat like some peasant. Man I can't treat me like peasant. Me tired of it and people are laugh and fight and I say me can't control my own man. I can't control my own man. And them things that you feel look for, and you make people give people things to chat about. Cause if you just did talk to me like, babes, you know say we have to this and that, and me say yeah. You know say that I go on, and you turn to me and say, babes, leave that alone, baby girl. Focus on you, baby girl. You look sexy this morning. Pump on the bottom. Simple. I get up a cuss about me eat the mother, me eat the dad, me eat the her, me eat the her, me eat the this. No woman nah go on you. No woman. Any woman take you up, they have to have money. Cause there's a hard motherfucker to please. They have to have money to please their blood clot needs. I don't want to deal with nobody here. So after the time of me and breadfruit and I fry a ras. You know me and this man fry breadfruit at door? Me and this man fry breadfruit at door, you know? It's like he forget all of them something there. Ladies, when you're pregnant and have baby for man, have one little life savings to run with. Have a life savings to run with. They don't remember the bad times when you and them roast breadfruit pan this, and they don't remember when you and them have to walk and pick mango pan tree. You understand? Careful who you breed for, man. Have no backup money, man. Me hate shame.
You that's held over, me can't bother. So I understand Rosalie asked one boy from that support her tongue and she almost sick the boys come you know. Boy was being nice and courteous though to her because me that hang up the live and dash on my phone. It's all this I call me, Miss Dear, why you come in and shout me like me I used to go Sister Brown? Why you come in and shout me? Don't shout me. Don't call to me. Then why my eyes them can come on this and look like me have a worry for eyeshadow so my eyes them look so sleepy. Maybe my eyes I'm sleepy. A big should I know say you have a class in a big everything still stand when I say I forgot something I like you. Forgot something I like you. My eyes them not dreaming latte. They don't couldn't tell me say something look good today. No, come to chat and little and Chanel live nowhere. You see? I always say this stone up on my program. I always say sometimes when you say things the girl out the road and girl pick me out the road. And this they forget. Who remember when time Stark Ashley situation the other day and everybody come up and say Stark Ashley and Stark Ashley that a little girl like them yeah. Chanel no live nowhere. That dark face looking girl no live nowhere. Chanel, Lord Jesus, I can't pronounce the child name. See with me. Do see with me. Y'all break up in a syllabus. Give me. Why you know, so I'm going backward. But me never come forward. Oh. Yeah. No, I can't think never get Chanel in but I don't know me at all. For style of the name, so she's so cute. You feel like me as sing. Yeah. It's just a style of the name, so she's so cute. I feel like me as sing. I feel like me a blaspheme. For sure. Yeah. Me
Me want to know if she not live nowhere. Make Annie. you go to the again. I go clap you with this, you know. Oh, yeah. She make Annie get stripe off her. And Annie she business, Annie stink like shit. Annie business, man. There's really not a love. Not a love. Not one thing more love. So if Annie can talk to someone's daughter like that, then nobody and you come about Jayden, the things that were Jayden and say about your child, and he's like, Annie go suck your mama if you can't find her. And them some eruption me, all she need forget it to me, I get the name. All she need forget it. She need forget it. Me not ask you. She need go your yard, you know live now with germs. You know live nowhere. You're busy I watch Annie's son in teeth and them head look bad like. You're busy I watch in the whole of the family look like them have stinking mouth. How are you? You forget where you are, but Shani look dirty too. I wanna make my dog on the out. The boy a dog get out, him mama dog get out. I wonder if Chanel mother and father did. I wonder if them did them pass on. I just ask random question. Them pass on. The family.
Alright, my people, as we say, me I run through that one here, but you are going. Annie, upon a level, me I tell her. Annie justify in herself why she and Chanel can get along good and alright. You see me? It's because Chanel have some ways about her and she herself admit the ways what she have. No woman now go like no woman that disrespect them youth, them son. You see me I say? And Chanel have some little F up ways where she disrespect Jagger even in a public certain way. You know what I mean? So them type of ways they make she and Annie can't really get along on a real level. So let me know what you think. We watch some more.
Them dead. She not missing me Annie a class about you add D to the life. So what me should add D to the life, dirty Annie? But for him name off her finger, she should never go back to him. Chanel ugly and unbalanced. I wonder if Chanel a Roger's sister. Chanel. I'm not gonna ever get it, you know. Almost Roger's sister. I can't nobody else's family. Cause she and him alone are sport niners. I know about six love and 6 a game. I don't know about 9 a game. I watch the 9 love. Can't bother with them at all. I just can't deal with them. Then Jayden happy. Oh, Jayden happy to them, man. Nobody want to look for him to kill him. But I'm the first man that look for Jayden to kill Jayden. And Jayden, you know, come from Kingston, so you're not hard to find. Eh? Then Jayden, oh, you alone get the news, say, man, I look for you for kill you, and nobody else not here. Remember, you and Big C, they tried this already. I know, oh, Jayden come like you now mark the things them way you do already. Sadiq, you want to go on, my baby? The whole of last night, she said, I forget drunk on the net, you know, because every water bottle she said she recycle. Every water bottle we use, she recycle. I didn't have no cover full of dent, all could have in it. She buy every gas block that they say she will always call on thieving money. Because me not understand. Man, I look for Jayden for killing me, I didn't tell me when nothing I want for Jayden. When nothing I want for Jayden, man, I look for Jayden and you did want me to say, oh my God, oh this, oh that. And everybody knows about Jayden, all of Jayden enemy, them knows about him. Then Jayden not hard for fine. Remember Jayden have no mother and no father. Jayden not hard for fine. So we, the brother something never did that thing, nobody not surprised or excited about Jayden brother. So Jayden come up with a death trap. Jayden, are you walking cemetery? I never dash rebellion. We can't deal with you. Then so when you sweep at night, you sweep out your luck. Make a case and sweep out my luck. Thank God that blessing me deal with. Make a case and sweep out my luck. Can I say luck a fear, girl? Luck a fear enough, girl. I quit you now. Then what are we Zozo things said the internet work for pay him. Then Zozo big black and favor King Kong can audition for one dopey show. Eh? Then what are we Zozo one big? And then I cost the people in. Me say from Britney get fat people start gift her. From Britney put on belly. People stop give her. Zozo, the things that when you pay with Britney, them are rich and buy Hardy like Annie. Lad, me know. Eh? Zozo supposed to ignorant from Britney now, It's all this one down here. I only so. I only one down here. Yeah. Zozo, you're coming too late. You're coming when Britney Luck run out. In courses there. With the boots, me have to take them off to them love. Me say this man in a tape higher. I tape higher and I realize that my bed low. The worst thing after up higher low bed, you know. The worst trick you could have get in a life. And when you jump up, you move the mosquito and go look and go suck out. Hey, come here. Go suck out your mama, man. And a ramp with me in a germs bag. When I go bite out the whole of Rosalie period where I run pan her. Come on, can't believe it. If you let them can't like so much blood she run with. Can't feel like them kissing her. And it catch their clothes. A garden sprinkler. Yeah, come and terrorize me. Fly for me. Yeah. Back to the matter, and I was there chat about a while ago. I wish family reaching a conversation. So come here and we're chat everybody in the world today. You know. Then come here and people. What are we everyone gonna Switzerland, the house for Switzerland stay. Come here and people. Then I saw the rebel family them. We rebel family them there. Embassy no rebel family them. Eh? Because she just run behind Swiss and Switzerland run behind Donia and Donia run from the toilet. Lad, my big wall. Yeah. So when you talk about it now, I tell you that when I always make my mouth catch, you know. That's why me. Thank you, Lord, that you ever thought of me. When you come about girl, you know say girl have a file. Yeah, you know say girl have a secret. When you come about girl, when you make things look unnecessary, I see why Spice never go to the US visa because she don't give it about no way. I own them Jazzy. I own them people here. Look here, I don't know none of your sign, man. Oh, I don't want none of battery, man. I don't know none of your so I can't take no battery in there night. I'm swell up. I can't chat D and Jabas, I can't chat them. You know, you say it's a prank.
Alright, my people, as I said, I run through that one here, quick and fast. So, let me know what you think in the comment section. People, remember me to tell you, say, yo, Rebel shouldn't respond to Shibada the way you respond to Shibada. You should have just jokingly respond. Watch you know, all of them something here. You see me I say? Although maybe Rebel now pay it no mind, because for years, she don't pay it no mind. You know what I mean? She don't respond to it, but maybe she pay it mind. So maybe she gone back in that zone and she just want to get off whatever off her chest and gone back in her zone. You see me? So whatever. You know what I mean? Make her watch some more.
What do you know? I can't chat them. When it comes suck me, one code, I only name one code. Why so much people that text me?
We're well here. I'm gonna sit down, I'm gonna hold it. I'm just easy myself.
Imagine if I go another cupboard there and that's something like your back hanging on your head. Mommy phone, imagine if I go another cupboard. Mommy phone. Imagine if I go another cupboard there and just drop them on back on your head. But Papa. Little juice. Get the other one coming. The other one coming.
Thank you, Remy. Hate how you make them a style, yo. Let me ask you a question. I can't, you know, leave that alone. Sometimes I wonder if you know head right, you know. When people and people argue, you can't tell people what to say. Especially if you plan the argument and say just cuss. No, sir.
It's not chocolate, it's a personal. Don't eat that. Will you eat that? I think what I am from.
I'm good. You don't do me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Me don't like no boy at all.
He has a black cat. And it's cute too. It looks like kind of hard, but it's
So Rona, you not work a morning? You come ask the people them they not work. You not work a morning?
What do you have to see Mr. Fly? Ew! Yeah, watch that song.
What she know? They chop that my business. Come in as Rona, man. Mute that one that when you envy your bad mind. You know your name, your bad mind, girl.
I hear that.
Me eyelash them want to fix up, man. D my first inbox message said he shame them. Where's the Sean? Thank you, overcome, I claim it. All of my people them when know me in a real life, them understand everything we are going. And them know everything we are going. All of the supporters them, no. Those little people them will just come and don't know me and don't support me. No. Them not understand. Them crazy. I can't make everybody understand. But the people them was smart have the head for them body, them understand. They don't know how to say to somehow, no. We not do too much. My people them from YouTube days, them understand. Love you too, babe. Right, that's so Ryan. Amora, you know somebody supposed to buy them a Pampers for your little girl?